Everyone, this is a continuation of a series we've been running on the BuddyBoss app, primarily how it relates to BuddyBoss users, LearnDash users, both using the BuddyBoss app and mobile applications as they relate to that audience. So today we're going to be going over the out-of-the-box BuddyBoss app. And what's important to understand is that the BuddyBoss app is a mobile version of the regular BuddyBoss website. So I'm going to go and very quickly just share my screen here. I'm going to be going over to the BuddyBoss demo app. So this is a demo app that you can generate for yourself. If you head on over to BuddyBoss, you can see how to do it. But typically, what makes up a BuddyBoss application? Well, first of all, you have a section here. This is the news feed, and you can see in here that people can speak to each other or post things like they would in a Facebook activity feed or in a private group. You have the ability to see blogs. You have ability to see other members that are members of that group. Up here, you have members. So this gives you a full listing of all the members. You can go to groups, see the groups that are set in place there. You can go to forums. Over here, we've got courses. Courses in here somewhere. Groups. Yeah, here's LearnDash, all your courses. So the same courses that you're publishing on your website, you can then jump in here and view them. So just giving you a very quick overview of the BuddyBoss app. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to stop sharing on my laptop and I'm going to start sharing in my mobile app. Give me just a second here so I can turn that on. And I'm going to show you exactly how the BuddyBoss equivalent works on your phone. And the interesting thing is everything that happens on the website also happens on this environment, on your mobile phone, so that users, regardless of what they're using, can participate. So some people might want to use the phone, other people might want to be using the laptop, and it works just fine. So I'm going to land here on the home page. Hold on, I've got to get my bearings here. So here we are, and I can see, just like I could before, here's a list of all my members. I can go here, see a list of them. I can visit their profile, see their profile, see what's going on, a little bit of information on them. On the activity feed, I can go and see, oh, look, John posted a video. I can jump in here. I can watch this video. And this video, I'll go sideways now. So you see it's full-blown working like you would in an app, but I'm seeing the content that's published on the BuddyBoss site. Now, if I want to interact with this person, I can come up and leave a comment like I would in a Facebook post. I'm going to jump out of here. So this is behaving like you would expect a Facebook-like activity feed where people can post about different topics. They can put images, they can put videos in here, and it all works really nice. I already showed the members. I can go to groups. So this shows me any groups that I have available in here. This is just another way to compartmentalize discussions so that you don't have everybody barraging the main activity feed with a ton of information. This could be something that focuses only in the area of aviation, and you give members the opportunity to say, oh, look, I'm interested in following that group, but not these other ones. So I can participate in these sort of discussions. It gives me, a lot of features in here. So that's just like a very simple photo that it's got. But people can then customize how they interact with the website based on their preferences. And whether I make this setting here on the mobile phone, or if I'm doing it on my laptop, I can go back and forth between them and see the same thing. Now, an interesting piece in here is that I can go into my LearnDash courses. So the same LearnDash courses that I'm viewing on my website, I can go in here. And you might want to notice that I can click on this download feature. And what it's doing is it's downloading all the content that corresponds to that LearnDash course onto my phone. So that now if I'm not connected to the internet, let's say I'm on, taking a plane trip and I put my phone into airplane mode, I can still see my course. I can still interact with it. All the progress that's being used inside of this app while I'm disconnected. Then when I do go and return to connected to Wi-Fi, it'll update that. And now all the progress that I made while I was on that, disconnected flight can then be restored. And then all my progress indicators, any quizzes I might have taken are all in here. So it's almost finished now with the downloading. While we're waiting for that, I'm just going to click on something else. But you can see that, this is a full-blown course. I got quizzes. I can look at introduction to animation. So here you have some copy. There's an image, all the kind of content that you're going to be putting onto a course, a LearnDash course is all in here. So now we see that this one is now on my phone. So this is one that I can come up and see whether I'm connected to the internet or not. So if you don't need any of the BuddyBoss community features and all you're wanting is to be able to build an app that allows people to see your courses while on their phone without getting into a web application, a browser website or responsive website, you really have it all here. Now, this is the BuddyBoss demo app. As a result, it has every feature possible enabled, and it can be overwhelming. But what I want to assure you is that you can turn a lot of these features off. You can customize what appears on this main page so that you can make this more of a LearnDash only course. You can make it a BuddyBoss only community site with maybe a focus for communicating between people. And one thing, if you're not familiar with how this works, is I can come up in here and go to John and I can, message him. So I can go over here and I can go over to like the more here, and then I can go to my messages. Here I can see messages that other people have sent me, has an inbox sort of feel to it. I have this person, Mateo, that just messaged me. I can message them back. And this can be configured so that every time I add a message in here, the person is notified via email, so that if they're not currently on the app, they know to go to the app and log in so they can see what they're missing. This here is a message that comes from a group. So the person is a member of the group and there's a discussion in there. And again, I can, add my comment in there as well. Not a very interesting comment, but a content nonetheless to John and the other people in that group. So, I thought I would share this with you. The BuddyBoss app is just a real treat of a feature, because if you do have a membership site, a community site, a learning site, however it is that you've configured your program, it does give you the ability to publish it as an app. And, again, it has all the features of the apps. You can do notifications, all the kind of things that you're used to without, spending the amount of resources and money that it typically takes to publish your own app. And if you're already in the membership space, if you're already in the community space, everything that's on your website is now available in an app format. In one of the next features of the series, we show how you can enhance this out-of-the-box solution with more customizations, making it fully contained within the app, because there are some features that the BuddyBoss app will make a call into a browser. So we're going to show you how that can be customized so that you really get exactly what you want, and you're still not having to go and build your app from scratch. So hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.